way.
Let me get to her. Said she been in love, I'll attend to it. Got a free coat and a damn main coat. Hit us on my dick, yeah.
What's up, y'all? It's Jada Marie here, back in with another video. And I'm going to try to attempt to do a hair video under these circumstances. Y'all can hear the fan. For one, before we even get started with this video, I've pushed it off for about maybe a month or so due to this virus. The hair store is not open. It's still not open. So I do not have the products I need to really perfect this wig, including a tweezer. But it's all good. We're about to make the best of this situation, and I'm about to see if I can still slay this wig regardless, because this virus is really in the way. So I am about to comb the hair out. I was going to try to talk throughout the video, but this fan is extremely loud and annoying. So we're just going to go ahead and get into this video. I can comb up enough to do my braids, but that's about it. And these braids are looking terrible. I can't even part. my end result. The hair is by Alipearl hair, and I will be dropping details. You guys know that is my favorite brand. I've been rocking with them for quite some time now. I had to put off this video for a while because I still don't have the products I need. The install wasn't my favorite as well, but I had to work with what I had and it worked out for me. Trying to take some pictures for my thumbnail now with my camera. I normally never do that with like actual pictures, so we're gonna see how that works. I ended up dyeing this hair from 1B to this color, and I'm loving it because it's really tropical, and I'm in Hawaii, so I will be taking pictures on the beach or something, and I'm super excited for that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell for updates on my next video.
Now we on the dance floor.
And now we on the dance floor. When the party cut, I met you at the front door. When I pulled up, shawty, she was right. I ain't tryna fuck just for the night. Yeah, I'm tryna keep you out of sight. Tryna make sure I get it right. Yeah, I know you're asking, do you right? So let me make it right. Yeah, and your eyes tell me everything. I can see the fence with the red and rain. Tryna make this a Cali thing.